Muslim girls' names starting with T with meanings in English. Taban means splendid, glittering. Taibah means one who refrains from evil doings, repentant. Taj means crown. Talia means rising star. Talibah means a seeker, an inquirer, a lover. Thara means star. Thaman means glittering, splendid. Tabassum means charming smile. Tabinda means bright, shining. Tabita means a gazelle. Tehani means greetings. Tehzeeb means culture. Tahira means pure and virtuous, holy, clean. Tahiyya means greeting, cheer. Tahseenah means applause, acclamation, cheers. Taibah means repentant. Taj means crown, jewel. Tajim means honor. Taqiyya means pious, righteous. Tallat means appearance, face, aspect. Tali means rising star, rising. Taliba means seeker after knowledge. Talika means a nightingale. Tamanna means desire, wish, want. Tamim means perfect, complete, tall, strong. Tamima means a poetess. Tansin means praise, beautification. Takveer means lucky. Thara means star. Taramim means amendment. Tarannum means singing, a kind of song, modulation. Taslim means salute, congratulations, compliment. Taslima means salute, congratulation. Tasneem means salute of paradise, fountain of paradise. Tavus means peacock. Taiba means pure, pious, clean, good, pleasant. Tegama means firm, established. Tehani means celebration. Tehzeeb means elegance, culture. Tejal means lustrous. Thaman means price, fair, cost. Thamar, summer, means fruit. Tehmina means expensive, precious, costly, dear. Thana, sana, means thankfulness, praise. Thara means wealth. Thawab, Sawaab, means reward. Tubeta means brave. Turaya, Suraya, means star, a wealthy lady, luster, chandelier. Tuba means good news, glad tiding. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me for this tutorial. Please note that this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. I cannot guarantee the accuracy of the meanings and pronunciation of names in this tutorial. Name can be spelled and pronounced differently. I would advise you to consult a local scholar for verification before deciding a name for your baby. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions or comments, then you can use the comment section. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. I Factner.